first charter school law in the United States.
That is not good, because it is not like having the worst something is new for Pennsylvania. Remember, this is a state that has the worst football fans, the worst bell, and the worst regional delicacy. Yes. If I wanted Cheese Whiz on my steak sandwich, I'd eat at Kiddie Cafeteria, the restaurant run by 6-year-olds. And I'm not even sure Pennsylvania deserves to be called the worst, because Ohio's charter law was for decades so lax, even charter advocates have called it the Wild West. The state has around 360 charters, and their governor, John Kasich, speaks often about how much he loves choice and competition in schools.
We will improve the public schools if there's a sense of competition. You know, just like a pizza shop in the town, if there's only one and there's not much pepperoni on it, you can call till you're blue in the face. But the best way to get more pepperoni on that pizza is to open up a second pizza shop. And that's what's going to improve our public schools.
Okay. That doesn't work on any level. First, no one has ever called it a pizza shop. Second, it's a little hard to hear the man who just defunded Planned Parenthood talk about the importance of choice. Third, there is such a thing as paying for extra pepperoni like a normal person. And finally, the notion that the more pizza shops there are, the better pizza becomes, is effectively undercut by the two words, Papa John's. But Ohio's charters